Alright guys, so I just got my new starter in. I'm back at the boat. So I'm about to go put this new starter in, hopefully it starts. And I also got the new belts. Got one already on. The other one was too big, so I got another one to put on instead. And we started on the floor, taking all the old wood out. There's a lot of termites in this wood. So we're gonna go ahead and take this wood out and start putting fiberglass into it instead of the wood. And I'll update you guys whenever I do that. All right, hopefully she starts. All right guys, got the new starter in, wired up. Time to, wire up this battery. And hopefully it'll start. Let's see. Alright, battery's hooked up. Let's see if she'll do something. Nope. Still just clicking. Let's see. Let me try to figure this out real quick. Alright. Went to Napa real quick. Got a new solenoid because I'm pretty sure it's the solenoid that's not letting it start. Got some gloves too for when we do the fiberglass. On the way home now, so I'm gonna throw this new solenoid in. So I did just get it started. Only thing is that it's not getting any fuel, so I got it started with pouring, starter fluid into the carburetor, but it's not getting fuel on its own. Can't really tell if there's fuel in the gas tank, but the lines are pretty much dry. And then I put fuel into the lines to start it, and it still didn't work. So.
Okay.
Out right now to clean it, to make sure all that old gas is out of it, make sure there's no crap on the bottom of the fuel tank, clean it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and keep going with taking this floor out. I kind of started, you can see that you can see the foam right there already. So pretty much everything from here on is going to be gone, and then that's going to be fiberglass instead of the wood. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that after I pull it all out. But yep, I'm gonna keep you guys updated after this is done. All right guys, I'm pretty much halfway through with pulling out this gas tank. It's definitely not fun. So basically I cut the straps on it that holds it in place, because just trying to get them unlocked or whatever, however they're tightened or whatever tool you need. Just cut them and I'm gonna replace those. All the corroded lines were just easier to cut those. Took the wires off of the tank, and then there's two more other hoses that I had to cut to get them off, and then you probably have to just wiggle it around, get it loose, and then pretty much just pull it out. So I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna finish pulling it out pretty much, and then I'll get back with you guys. Also have some battle scars from pulling this tank out, but yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, it started raining, so I pulled it into the garage and headed home now. Pretty much got most of the floor taken apart. All I have left, my dad's gonna take the rest of it apart, just the wood, the rotten wood out of it. And then hopefully when I come back, maybe Thursday, we can lay the glass fiber. And I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna leave the foam that's in it right now. Leave the foam. Leave the foam so I have some kind of structure where I can lay the glass fiber on. So I think that's gonna be the plan for right now. I'm gonna look it up a little, do a little more research tonight and tomorrow at work, and then go from there. But so far so good. My dad's gonna finish up the wood. Taking the wood off. I got the gas tank out, drained it, and other than that, I just need to order parts and come back and lay the glass fiber. So that's the plan for right now. See you in the next video. Bye guys.